Ganda tingnan ng this is winter, guys. Ito ang kagandahan ng winter season. Ang ganda tingnan ng mga puno kasi covered talaga siya ng mga snow. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Shala again of Shanks Crafted Designs. But in today's video, guys, we're not be doing crafting, but instead we will be roaming around this part of Charlottetown, kung saan naghahanap tayo ng good location for a winter photo shoots. Next Sunday, we will be doing some photo shoot of a friend na nanalo during a raffle draw last Christmas. So guys, please do finish this vlog from beginning till end kasi papakita ko sa inyo yung kabuuan ng area and some photos that we took here. So thank you so much for visiting again this vlog, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Please don't forget to like and share, and also don't forget that button below for more upcoming videos. This is the beauty of winter. Ang ganda. Salubong yung mga trees. So nice. Ito na nga, this is the very first video for 2026 and it's all about winter. It's all about winter photo shoot, and ito na nga yung nahanap naming location for some winter mini photo shoot. So, ito dito, napakalawak. This is a walking trail. I noticed it's a mixture of birch tree and some pine trees. So, hindi lang siya maganda for winter, but also maganda rin po siya, guys, during fall season. Gawa ng mga leaves na nagkukulay during fall season. So, eto na nga, guys. Mag-uumpisa na kami ulit ni Jong for photoshoot. So, let's go ahead and get started. Ang saya, photoshoot for winter bago mawala lahat ng snow, guys. So this is a good location for photoshoot. Where? Okay. Wait, tanggalin ko muna to. Ito hanong may tatlong parang ganda dyan mag-shot ng nakasilip. Tuhan. Tayo. Sung sa snow for photoshoot, guys. Hi! Makikita nyo ngayon, naglalakad na kami going back to our car kasi nga ito yung area ng walking trail na nahanap namin ni Jong for a winter photo shoot. of 2022, nagkaroon ng bagyong Fiona dito sa PEI. So, itong puno na nakikita nyo guys, ito yung isa sa mga natumba during the bagyong Fiona. Ang dami-daming bumagsak, ang dami-dami talagang na sayang na mga, alam mo nyo, yung mga centennial trees, ang sayang-sayang kasi natumba siya gawa ng Typhoon Fiona. And for the record guys, isa kami sa mga families na talagang 12 days kami walang electricity. Good thing, hindi pa kasagsagan ng winter that time. So parang carry pa yung lamig. So tingnan nyo guys, ayan. Ang daming natumbang malalaking puno. Clearing operations, they just see to it na hindi siya nakakasagabal sa mga tao kasi talagang nasa walking trail tayo, and people here in the island, they love walking. So this is a good venue for, you know, for your health, exercise, and everything. Siyempre dito sa Canada, maraming nag-aalaga ng aso, and yung mga aso dito guys, hindi siya askal kasi they're part of the family. So meron talagang routine yung mga dogs na dapat ilakad ng mga owners. So isa ito sa mga trails na talagang pinupuntahan ng mga dog owners kasi kailangan nilang i-walk ang kanilang mga dogs. So this is part of the trail. So mahaba-habang lakaran to guys. Ano na tayo? We are looking tasay. Kakalaka dito sa trail. So meron pa ditong spot na ang ganda-ganda for photos. Kaso lang sobrang lalim na yung snow. Papakita ko sa inyo. Kasi nakahilera yung pine trees. So yan. Akala nyo maganda na pag ganyan. Meron pang mas maganda dyan guys. So papakita ko sa inyo dito yung mga nakahilerang pine trees. Kasi sobrang ganda niya sa photos. Pero alam ko sobrang lalim na niya. So ito siya. Yan. See that? Yan ang kagandahan. Yan. Yan. Ang ganda-ganda niyan pagkatabi ka ng pine tree mismo. Pero sobrang lalim na ng snow. Kaya hindi na kami nag-mind na magpa-photo beside of pine trees na yan. Oh yeah. Yan. Pabalik na sa sasakyan. Tapos na ang aming winter photo shoot. Salamat sa pagsama at sa panonood po sa aking channel. Again, this is Shella of Shags Crafted Designs YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, click like, and leave some comments below. At kung meron po kayong request for some videos, especially dito sa about PEI, let's go! Gawin po natin yan.